Top 5 Best Mechanical Pencil in 2020. Top 1. Pentel GraphGear 1000 Mechanical Pencil, 0.5mm, Black Barrel, 1 each, PG 1015A, Brown. Chiseled metallic grip inlaid with soft latex-free pads provides writing comfort. Dual-action retractor advances and retracts tip for easy use. Superior drafting pencil for general and technical writing. Refillable with Pentel Super High Polymer Lead and Z2-1 eraser. Color brown. Ink color black. Brand Pentel. Material metal. Item dimensions LXWXH 0.63x6x 0.63 inch, 3 inch. Top 2. Unicore Keeps Sharp Mechanical Pencil, Gun Metallic, M510171P43. Lead Rotating Technology Mechanical Pen, Kuru Toga. Roulette M510171P43. For 0.5mm lead. Gun Metallic Body, Top 3. Paper-made Clearpoint Mechanical Pencils, 0.7mm, HB No. 2, Blue Barrels, box of 12. Create clear, precise lines every time. Side lead advance lets you load lead without losing your grasp. 0.7mm, No. 2 leads are perfect for standardized tests. Jumbo twist-up eraser makes erasing easy. Includes 12 No. 2 mechanical pencils. Top 4. Paper-made Clearpoint Mechanical Pencils, 0.5mm, HB No. 2, Black Barrels, box of 12. Create clear, precise lines every time. Side lead advance lets you load lead without losing your grasp. Jumbo twist-up eraser makes erasing easy. Includes 12 No. 2 mechanical pencils. 0.5mm, No. 2 leads are perfect for standardized tests. Top 5. rOtring 1904257 Rapid PRO Mechanical Pencil, 0.7mm, Matte Black. This long-lasting, smooth, and precise retractable mechanical pencil is a perfect professional tool for sketching and drawing. The full metal body has an ideal weight balance and a comfortable non-slip knurled metal grip. The sliding sleeve and cushioned lead mechanism provide high level of break resistance and outstanding writing and doodling comfort. A unique push mechanism gives you controlled lead transportation. There is a built-in sharpener under the push-button cap. Limited warranty, guaranteed for 2 years from original purchase date against defects in materials or workmanship. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.